So tell me, what's in the index?
So the index right now has a tiered system. So our goal was to have the companies with the purest exposure to ETF growth be the largest components, and then tier it down from there. And we do it very much in an active research process that gets delivered in a passive index. So at the top of the index are the pure plays. It's the Wisdom Trees, it's the BlackRocks, the Invescos, it's some of the exchanges. And then as we go down, you'll start to see companies like SEI and things like that. One of the companies that I love to use as a great example as to why we do the tiers is at that bottom tier, it only represents very small positions, like 0.6% positions. A company like Charles Schwab would have been in that tier 5 years ago. Today, Charles Schwab is the 5th largest issuer, and they've done it in an amazing way. They've approached it not by just being the low-cost provider, but by having all kinds of robo-solutions and one-source solutions and involvement with Windhaven to put themselves in a different place and innovate into the ETF industry.
That's great.
And
well,
as you can see in his I love ETFs button,
Yes.
and somewhere we probably have an emoji here with the, you know, this is exactly why we love ETFs. The ETFs level the playing field. They level the playing field for issuers like a Charles Schwab that wants to come into the market and issue new products and be a central part of the ecosystem. It's also leveling the playing field for us, for investors. You have the ability with one trade to now have access and diversification across a whole slew of other securities instead of having to buy singular commission-based driven markets, right? So as an investor, you know, we love the way in which they can lower our cost of investing, give us transparent, very straightforward products that also have great tax advantages as well. So it's why we love the ETFs and ETFs of industry.
well, I want to thank you both for joining me. This has been very insightful. And thank you, everyone, for tuning in to another segment of Exchange Traded Fun.